Is the NVIDIA SPCAP64 shim DLL missing error hurting your performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your gaming stack.
To begin the walkthrough for NVIDIA SPCAP64 shim, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the NVIDIA SPCAP64 shim, the NVIDIA ShadowPlay Capture library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of real-time video encoding for gameplay recording, facilitating the visual media manifest for the data link.
Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method.
NVSPCAP64 OS is commonly included with older game runtimes. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore DirectX-based components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is tied to OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA.
If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture.
A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including NVIDIA SPCAP64 shim, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online.
If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. To resolve deep-seated driver errors, you should perform a clean install by first wiping your system with Display Driver Uninstaller and then running the latest GPU setup. This process resets the communication between your hardware and the OS, while deploying a fresh copy of your DLL file to your local directory. Why are we doing this? Well, a basic driver reinstall rarely clears the persistent file conflicts that cause these errors, so a total wipe is necessary to re-establish system stability. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future.
It is important to avoid manual installation of NVIDIA SPCAP64 shim DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss.
A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity.
To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping NVIDIA SPCAP64 shim synchronized. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for NVIDIA SPCAP64 shim, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.